What's up, guys? Hi, YouTube. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat end. I'd like to welcome you back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing where do I sell my e-commerce products. This was a question someone sent to me, and right now we are going to be talking about it. A lot of people want to start their online business and they don't know where they are going to be selling these particular items. And if you're going to be starting your online business very soon, do not worry, because I am going to be sharing where you can start selling your products. But the one thing about this online business is promotion. You need to promote your business. If you don't promote it, if you don't share the products that you have, you will not see any visibility. There will not be any visibility. So we have some of these platforms that can help you to promote your business, because some of these platforms, they have audience and large audience. And why it is very necessary and why it's good to start your online business is this: online space has more audience and they have more visibility, where you can even blow up if you give it time and be patient. You understand? Audience. Imagine opening a store, let's say a physical store, and maybe in a day you will have like 5 customers in a day that will be able to buy you some items. You understand? Why online business? You understand? You can see like hundred thousands of people, you can see 100 people, 500 people, 1,000, depending on your ability. You understand? And how attractive your product is and how valuable. Another thing is value of that particular product. Guys, let's go into this. And the first place that I'm going to be sharing is platform. There are platforms that enables you to pay. You understand? Some platforms are free and some allow you to pay some certain fee. You understand? Like we have Amazon, we have Shopify, where you can set up a store, and we have Etsy. Then in your country, you'll be able to find, like in Nigeria, we have Konga, we have Jumia, and we have Kama, or whatever, different kinds of platforms where you can be able to, share your products. You can register and pay money for it. Some of them are free. And we also have Facebook Marketplace. These are places where you can post your products online and you can be able to, people can see them, and you can be able to make money on those particular, platforms and make money for your online store. Because people that are doing online store, most of them don't have, physical shop. They do from their home, they work from their home, and in your home, nobody's coming to the house. So you actually need a platform that can help you to be able to post your, products. And the next place that you can make money is to create your own website. So if you're ready to promote, you can also build your own website. They have Linktree, they have, you can use a Shopify to build your own store. And you can also contact a website designer to build an e-commerce store for you, personal one, which you can be able to control and do whatever you like in that particular platform. And the next page that you can use to, promote your online business, if you're looking for places to sell products online, is what? Social media. Social media is one of the places that you can actually make money and sell your product. Visibility. Now we have TikTok shops and we have Facebook. You can do sponsored ads. You understand? And you can also make money on YouTube. Yes, posting your online products. They have a shop on YouTube where you can connect your shop to Shopify and make money. And we also have Instagram sales. These are places that you can also make money online. And the next place that you can also make money is Instagram. They have Instagram sales, Instagram sponsored ads, where you can make money. And the other one is just to use your Facebook. You understand? Some of these platforms I called, you can do sponsored ad on TikTok, you can do sponsored ad on Instagram, you can do sponsored ad on Facebook, and all of these platforms. Even on YouTube, you can make money on that. Another place is Google. People make money using Google also, to promote their products. Google is one of the places that people are making money right now, using it to promote their business. People use Google to, make sales, quite lots of sales. Just find the one that suits you, because what is working for me might not be able to work for you. What is working for me right now is Facebook Marketplace, and honestly, it's actually working for me. Another place is WhatsApp. WhatsApp is another good place to promote your business. Honestly, I also make money on my WhatsApp, promoting my business on WhatsApp. So if you have any other places that you think that you can actually promote your business and tell people about your business, you can also put it on the comment section right now. I think this is just a short video because of the question that someone asked me, where do I sell my products? You understand? If you have been wondering where to sell your products, I got you covered, guys. See you next time. It's your girl Ebys'Lady, and make sure that you are subscribing to this channel. See you next time, and bye bye. Thank you.